Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel Incredible India. In this video, I am explaining about Klaviyo email services. Don't waste the time, let's start the video. When it comes to email marketing, online store owner can benefit from using a platform that is dedicated to their e-commerce marketing success, which is why we want to explore the benefit of Klaviyo. Perhaps you are looking for a new system or simply thinking you want to switch from a platform like HubSpot. Whatever the reason, we have a ton of experience with Klaviyo and here to share out insight to help you make to informed decision. It is estimated that email subscribers are 3 times more likely to share content on social media than lead when who come from another channel, making email marketing from e-commerce store all the more important in 2021. B2C email also have a higher unique open rate compared to B2B email. So it's time to leverage the potential power of email marketing from your online store. With Klaviyo, you can do so much more than just creative, visually stunning email campaign. In fact, Klaviyo should be seen as an essential tool in your marketing arsenal. Whatever you looking for tools that complement your Sophie store or looking for the best marketing automation system, Klaviyo gives you all feature you need to launch and manage successfully marketing campaign. Klaviyo is a powerful marketing platform that helps e-commerce store owner deliver a more personalized experience for their customer. Results speak for themselves. Klaviyo has helped brands across the world make more than $3.7 million in revenue in last year alone. It has never been easier to create deeper, higher value customer relationship, which is why an average of 67 brands move to Klaviyo every day. Klaviyo email marketing is often used alongside platforms like Shopify to help business owners build holistic marketing ecosystem. We will talk a bit more about this later. With Klaviyo, you can also send bulk SMS campaign and personalize every message with powerful automation, managing content in simple or automated. Klaviyo also you build multi-channel experience for your customer and manage it all from one platform. When it comes to Klaviyo email marketing, you have plenty of option to go with. This marketing platform will help you grow your e-commerce business and build customer loyalty, which is why Klaviyo is considered one of the best e-commerce email marketing tools around. With Klaviyo is really the personalization that sets it apart. You can send personalized email that go behind hi. You can pull the dynamic block for order detail, cart content, product recommendation and more. Want to make sure a section of the email is shown only to people who meet certain conditions? No problem, you can definitely do the Klaviyo. 3 email marketing campaign to try. Creating automatic email marketing campaign is a great way to build and maintain your relationship with customer. Klaviyo make it easy and effortless to utilize a power platform to content with your customer. Create highly personalized campaign and analyze data all from one platform. Creating a embedded cart email flow to be the one of the most valuable flow of e-commerce business. You will send a message or a sequence of message to potential customer who added item to their shopping cart but failed to complete the checkout process. The flow can be automatically triggered as Klaviyo keep track of customer who add item to their cart as well as those who don't complete the checkout process. It's important to add content to your Klaviyo embedded cart email that is tailored to that specific customer. This can be included information about item they are added to cart as well as the personal information you have gathered like their company name, industry, age, interest and more. One of the best way to start the relationship with new customer is to give them personalized and warm welcome. In fact, it is estimated that 84% of B2C welcome email successfully reach inbox and they have to average 23% open rate. With Klaviyo, you can use their robust workflow feature to create highly customized welcome series that is surely engage contact. Take your welcome email series to the next level and dynamic content, and even combine it with an SMS campaign, and you will be rocking. You can do all form of one location in Nevio. Another effective e-commerce strategy is to do a post-purchase upsell and or automated win-back campaign in Nevio. This refers to a series of email targeted and customer who have previously interacted with your brand or made a purchase, but who have never returned to your store again. Nevio has predictive analytics feature that can easily help you get to information you need to segment and target these customers. A SMS marketing campaign can deliver a series uplift in sale when paired with a solid email marketing strategy. With Levio, you can send targeted SMS message to customer easily and effortlessly, with most SMS message being took at with 19 seconds to the send text message can help you get the front of customer right away and help them to move further down the funnel. Levio offer you powerful SMS marketing software that you can use discount and promotion early to their marketing campaign to e-commerce business. Keep in mind that SMS marketing should not be treated like email marketing. Instead, text your customer as you would be friend or colleagues to keep it personal, short and to the point. Here are 3 great ideas for next Levio SMS marketing campaign. First, send a welcome message. This can be consist only text message or it can be paired with email marketing message to your customer. Remember, if you are pairing it with a marketing campaign, make sure there in is message personal SMS blast into consideration of entire campaign. Second, send an SMS reminder for anything. You can send SMS to remind customer when they are left an item in their cart, when you can promotion running, or giving them head up that something will happen soon. Third, send a thank you message. Did some recently make purchase? Did you recently sign up or your newsletter? Did you participate in competition? With Neo, you can speak thank you text message after customer completing one of these actions. Keep in mind, sending a simple thank you is fine, but pairing this with follow-up offer and call to action is better. Nevio and Shopee perfect pair. I mentioned earlier, Nevio and Seamless integrated with variety of tools and platform including Shopee. If you have to Shopee store already, you can connect your store to Nevio is a matter of minute. Thanks for watching my video. Those who are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel Incredible India and press bell icon for new video notification. Thank you.